In this video, I'll show you several ways to unblock a website on a Mac. Let's begin by checking your screen time restrictions. Click the Apple logo in the upper left corner of the screen, then select System Settings. In the left-hand menu, scroll down and click Screen Time. Next, open Content and Privacy. If content and privacy restrictions are enabled, they may prevent certain websites from loading. Turn this option off temporarily, then try opening the website again. Next, check whether a Safari extension is blocking the page. Open Safari, click Safari in the menu bar, and select Settings. Go to the Extensions tab and temporarily disable any ad blockers, security tools, parental control extensions, or other extensions that could restrict websites. After doing that, reload the page to see whether the problem has been resolved. You should also check Google Safe Search if the issue mainly affects your search results. Go to Google and make sure you're signed into your account. Open the Safe Search settings and confirm that Safe Search is turned off. Keep in mind that this setting only controls filtered Google search results. It does not directly unblock every website. If the website opens but some features are not working, Safari may be blocking its pop-up windows. Go back to Safari Settings, open the Websites tab, and select Pop-up Windows from the left-hand menu. Find the affected website and change its permission to Allow. You can also adjust the default setting at the bottom for websites that are not currently listed. Now return to the page and refresh it. If the website is still unavailable, the restriction may be coming from your Wi-Fi network, DNS settings, antivirus software, workplace or school administrator, internet provider, or the website itself. And those are the main settings you can check when a website is blocked or not opening on your Mac.